Kung gusto mong mawaw yung partner mo this Christmas, sobrang hirap humanap ng something meaningful at hindi pricey, lalo na limited yung budget natin. A store-bought gift might be nice, but how about something personal and unforgettable? Kaya subukan mong gumawa ng gift na kailangan mo lang ng small amount for materials pero more time and effort. I'm sure na matatouch siya and she'll never stop talking about it. Kasi konti na lang yung gumagawa ng ganito. So imagine this. Imagine her smile habang binubuksan niya yung handmade gift mo. Realizing how much thought you've put into it. Just try to picture her saying, ito na yata yung pinaka-thoughtful and sweetest gift na na-receive ko. Siyempre, ito na naman tayo sa mga what ifs natin, di ba? What if hindi ako crafty? What if hindi maganda yung gawa ko? What if nag-e-expect siya ng mamahaling gift? What if maubusan ako ng time at hindi ko matapos? Please don't worry. Kasi sobrang dali lang gawin itong mga ideas na to. And for sure nakagawa ka na nito dati sa school as a project. Or kahit di ka pa nakagawa nito before, this is so simple but heartfelt. So for today's video, i-share ko sa iyo yung mga simple but sweet DIY gifts. Kaya huwag ka na mag-overthink kasi I'm sure kayang-kaya mo to. Basic lang sa'yo to. At saka lahat nasa YouTube na. Susundan mo na lang. Disclaimer lang po, hindi po ako master ng communication, conversation. Hindi ako master ng relationship. Hindi perfect yung relationship ko kasi walang perfect relationship. Gaya mo lang din ako na naghahanap ng way sa mga bagay, mga tanong at mga problema na dumadating sa akin. At sinishare ko dito lahat ng mga experiences at mga natututunan ko when it comes to dating, relationship, and happiness. And this is to remind you that this channel is to guide you, to give you a chance, to help you create an opportunity para magkaroon ka ng fighting chance sa taong gusto mo, sa taong pangarap mo. Kaya kahit broken-hearted ka man, gusto mong mag-move on, gusto mong pumasok sa relationship, in a relationship ka na, bago man or matagal na, basta 18 years old above, para sa itong channel na to. And I'm sure meron tayong matututunan sa isa't isa. Welcome back to my channel. This is Level Up with Kenzo. At ang focus natin is dating, relationship, and happiness. Wala tayong sponsor na big company or famous person na nagsusupport or nagpo-promote sa atin. Kaya naman, the best way to support me is to click that subscribe button, like this video, and comment your questions and opinions. Super big help yan para mag-grow yung channel natin and sobra-sobrang ma-appreciate kita. Kaya tara, simulan na natin. 3 DIY gifts na low budget ngayong Pasko. Gift number 1, scrapbook. Yung scrapbook is parang gumagawa ng movie, pero nasa picture lang siya. Dito sa scrapbook, pwede kang pumili ng story na gusto mong ikwento. Yung story mo, kung paano mo siya nakilala, or yung story niyong dalawa, kung saan kayo nagsimula, at kung nasan na kayo ngayon, ano yung mga happy memories, yung mga unforgettable moments nyo, mga adventure, vacation, Christmas, birthdays, and anniversaries. Kaya ikaw nang bahalang pumili kung ano yung stories na gagawin mo dun sa scrapbook. And make sure na meron kang mga pictures bawat story na ikukwento mo dun. Gift number 2, frame your favorite photo of her or him and write an appreciation letter at the back. Konti na lang yung gumagawa nito. And I'm sure sa sobrang classic nito, 100% pa rin yung kilig and yung sweetness. Pumili ka ng picture na yung sa tingin mong favorite niya at favorite mo din. Tapos ipa-frame mo. Tapos sa likod niya, gumawa ka ng appreciation letter. Make it all about her or him. How you see her. How you appreciate her. Kung gaano siya ka-focus sa goal niya. Kung gaano siya nakaka-inspire pag nagwo-work siya. Yung kung ano yung nararamdaman mo kapag kasama mo siya. Kung gaano ka kaswerte na nasa iyo siya. na pinagdadasal mo yung safety and happiness niya araw-araw. Siyempre magkaiba tayo ng relationship, kaya gawin mo na lang tong format para sa appreciation letter na gagawin mo at ikaw nang bahalang magdagdag. Gift number 3, love jar. And lagyan mo siya ng title na read it every time you miss me. Read it every time you miss me. Tapos gawa ka ng maliliit na 100 piece of paper. Bakit 100? Kasi gagawa ka ng 100 reasons why I love you. I think ito yung pinakamaraming time and effort na kailangan. And I think ito rin yung pinaka-sweet sa 3 gift ideas na to. 100 reasons simula sa pinakamaliliit at mga pinakamalalaking bagay na gusto mo sa kanya. How you love her hair, her smile, her mind, her heart, the way she take care of herself, her smell, the way she hugs you, the way she kisses you, the way she makes you feel special, the way she's angry kasi gutom siya, the way she's in a good mood after niyang kumain kasi busog na siya, the way na asarin ka niya, how she handle her responsibilities, the way she prioritize her family, the way she likes helping people, the way she loves horror movies and you don't, the way she likes vinegar and you don't, the way she likes hot water and you don't, the way she's everything that you are not. And sobrang dami pa niyan. Ilista mo lahat ng maiisip mo. And then pag hindi na talaga kaya, mag-ask ka ng help kay Google. Nandun na lahat. Pero unahin mo muna yung mga maiisip mo kasi real yun eh. So, recap lang tayo. Number 1, scrapbook. Number 2, frame photo with appreciation letter at the back. Number 3, love jar. 100 reasons why I love you. Palagi mong tatandaan na it's not about how perfect the gift look. It's about the love and thought behind it. You've got this. Your effort will mean the world to her. Kaya ngayong Pasko, let your creativity shows her that you care. So try one of these ideas and then balikan mo ako dito after Christmas kasi gusto kong malaman kung ano yung reaction niya. I'm sure magugustuhan niya yan. I just wanna say thank you so much for watching this video. Sana hindi ka nasayang yung oras mo. Kaya naman please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell for more tips about dating, relationship, and happiness, and para updated ka sa mga videos natin na paparating. Always remember, do not underestimate the power of one more. You are so much closer to the life that you have, to the life that you dream of. You are one like, one comment, one subscribe, one video, one person, one decision away from a completely different life. Naniniwala ako sa'yo. Proud ako sa'yo. Good job ka today.